For the last 2 years, an advanced team of new Autobots has taken refuge here under my command.
We're locked and loaded.
Together, we form an alliance with the humans. A secret but brave squad of soldiers.
Right, listen up. China's cover story and this one is toxic spill. They had to evac the area for search and rescue. This makes 6 enemy contacts in 8 months. We gotta make sure this one does not get out in the public eye, so keep it tight.
A classified strike team called Nest. We hunt for what remains of our Decepticon foes, hiding in different countries around the globe.
Rolling Alpha through Echo now.
Got echoes. Close. Feel back. 2 o'clock.
He's here. I smell him.
It's close. It's getting closer.
No. What do we got? Thermal ripple. All right, everybody be steady. We're right on top of it.
Gunships on station. Roll in hot. We got a second Decepticon. Target coming your way.
Yeah, I'm down. I'm okay. I'm alright. Oh.
This is combat, man. What's wrong with you?
Clear a
Air support, we need Big Buddha to deliver the drop now.
Decepticon.
Any last words?
This is not your planet to rule. The fallen shall rise again.
That doesn't sound good.
Not today.